Hi, this is Jenny Paxson, and I'm going to show you a couple of things in the Libby app. So the first thing I want to show you is how to search for a book. You're going to either click on the word search for a book up here and type in something that you're looking for. So if you're looking for James Patterson or a specific book by James Patterson, you would type in the name of the author or the book title and put it into this box, and it'll pull up everything that is James Patterson. Another way to search is to go into the preferences here, and you can change things. Like right now, I've only got things that are selected that are available now. If I leave that as a preset on my preferences, I'll never see things that are not available. So make sure that if you change anything that you undo it, otherwise you won't see everything. Another way to search is to look through the screen here. There's different selections here, like this is hot titles. And under here are just added things that were bought just recently. We've got our Duke Classics, books that are available all the time, and our magazines. So there's lots of different things here that you can, already chosen topics that are right here on the front page of the website or the app. Under the Explore, you can find things to search for here as well. Under this, there's the subject search. And if you click on that, you'll find, so if you don't know a title or author, this is a perfect place to go to search for things. Like if you like fiction, you could pick fiction. And then if you see under the word fiction there, it says listing 17,011 books. If you hit the more button, you can limit your fiction to something else. Okay, so I really like historical fiction, so you could do that there. And so now these are all historical fiction books. Some of them are checked out. You'll notice it says place hold, but there are things that say borrow. You can go back into your preferences and change availability to available now, apply your preferences, and now you'll see things that you can check out right now. If it is an ebook, it'll just have the cover of the book. If it's an audiobook, you'll see a little pair of headphones underneath it. So if you want to check something out, you tap on the cover and hit the word borrow, and underneath it'll tell you how many books you've got checked out and how many holds you have. You tap borrow, and then it'll say that we've got this for 21 days. If you're connected to the Wi-Fi, it'll automatically download, so you don't have to be connected after that. And see the checkbox on the side, that means that it's always going to be available even if you're not online. Hit open book and you'll be able to start reading. Now at the bottom here, you'll see library and shelf. If you hit library, that's where you'll be looking for, if you hit it twice, you can look for new books. If you hit shelf, that's where the books that you have checked out are. If you see the word manage loan, this is where you can return your book early. Otherwise, you can hit open in Libby and read the book again. If you go back to your shelf, there is, up at the top of the screen, it says loans. Those are the books we've got right now that were checked out. If you hit holds, you'll see the things that you're waiting for. And if you hit actions, you can change your download rules. And this you can change so that it will only download on Wi-Fi, so it won't download when you're out and about using your data. Oops. So there's the beginning kind of how to search using Libby. I know that was pretty quick. But if you have questions, you can always contact me at jennifer.paxson, Paxson, at libraryweb.org. And I'm happy to help you with any questions that you might have.